Hey YouTube, Sully, Smallwater Fishing and Survival. Little update, it's got to be a short video. Putting a middle seat in the canoe. This is going to be a lot easier to get out on the water this year than the John boat, so I'm building a middle seat so I can take this 16.5-foot canoe out by myself. After that, it's going to have a storage compartment underneath, swivel seat on top, maybe a cup holder or two to hold some cold beverages on those hot days. I'm going to put a trolling motor bracket on the back, so I know this is going to have to get registered. But give me some suggestions on what color to paint it. It was green and red at one point. I don't know which one was the latest. Most likely green. So give me some suggestions on what color to paint it, and we'll be out on this fishing this summer at some point. So thank you, and be posting another video here shortly on carpeting and putting the seat on this. So thank you guys.